Most people think you need 10,000 subscribers or more to make money online. I proved that wrong with less than 500 subscribers. One video and one simple PDF, and it made me over $1,000 in just a few days. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it for free using YouTube and Payhip, and still making money today while I'm not doing anything. I know what you're thinking. You don't have enough subscribers. You don't know what to sell, and you have no idea where to even start. I was in the exact same position. Just look at my channel. When I started doing this, I only had a little over 300 subscribers. Even right now, my channel still has less than 500 subscribers. Yet it's already making consistent money online from one simple PDF linked in a single video. So trust me, you do not need a huge audience to make this work. That's exactly why I made this video. By the end of it, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan to create your first digital product and make your first online sale, and it won't cost you a thing. Now let me walk you through exactly what we're going to cover in this video. I divided this guide into 5 simple sections, so it's easy to follow from start to finish. By the end of these 5 sections, you'll have everything you need to make your first online sale. So, what exactly is a digital product? A digital product is something people can buy and download online. There's nothing to ship, no inventory to manage, and no extra cost every time you make a sale. You create it once, and it can keep selling over and over again. Some common digital products are PDF guides, ebooks, templates, checklists, and prompt packs. And if you're a beginner, a simple PDF is the best place to start. It's easy to make, easy to sell, and people are already buying them every single day. And because there's no physical product involved, most of the money you make is profit. That's what makes digital products one of the smartest and easiest ways to start making money online today. So now that you know what a digital product is, let's talk about where you're actually going to sell it. The platform we're using in this video is called Payhip. Payhip is a free platform that lets you sell digital products online without needing a website or any technical skills. You simply sign up, upload your product, set your price, and your store is ready. And honestly, this is why Payhip is so beginner friendly. You don't pay anything up front. Payhip only takes a small fee when you make a sale. For example, I sold a product for $15.99, and Payhip only took about 80 cents in fees. And depending on your payment method, there may also be a small standard processing fee from PayPal. But even then, you still keep most of the sale. You also get your own store link that you can share anywhere: YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other platform. And whenever someone buys your product, Payhip automatically handles the payment and delivers the file for you. You don't need to manually send anything. That's what makes Payhip one of the easiest ways for beginners to start selling digital products online. Now let's get you set up on Payhip. First, go to payhip.com and click Get Started for free. Fill in your first and last name, email address, and create a password, then click Create Account. Next, it will ask you for your store name, click Continue, then enter your store username and click Get Started Selling. And just like that, you're inside your Payhip dashboard. Now on your dashboard, you'll see a section called Store Essentials. This is where you'll do the important stuff to get started. There are 3 options there. For now, we're going to focus on the first 2, adding your product and setting up your payment method. Let's start with adding your product. Click Add, then click Add a Product and select Digital Product. Now you'll be taken to the product creation page. Here you'll need to upload your PDF file, add your product title, set your price, upload a product image, and write a short product description. Once you're done, make sure your visibility is set to visible, then click Add Product. After that, Payhip will take you to a new page where you can see your product page and copy your product link. That link is all you need to start selling. Just share it anywhere, and anyone who clicks it can buy your product instantly. Now, before you start sharing that link, make sure you set up your payment method first. Otherwise, your buyers won't be able to complete their purchase. Go back to your dashboard, click Set Up Checkout, and choose your preferred payment option. Payhip supports PayPal, Stripe, and more depending on your country. Once that's connected, your product is ready to sell. And if you plan to sell more than one product in the future, you can also set up your full store for free right from your dashboard. But for now, your product link is all you need to get started. Now here's the part most beginners overthink, creating the actual product. But honestly, it's way simpler than you think. For this tutorial, we're going to create a simple PDF. No complicated tools, no design experience needed. The only free tool you'll need is ChatGPT. That's it. Let's start with the content. Go to ChatGPT and type something like, write me a beginner's guide about, and fill in your topic. ChatGPT will generate the whole thing for you in seconds. Now, you don't have to use it word for word. Read through it, add your own experience, and change anything that doesn't feel right. Make it yours. Once your content is ready, it's time to create your product image. This is the cover photo buyers will see on your Payhip product page, so it needs to look good. And yes, you can create it inside ChatGPT too. Just type something like, create a professional digital product cover image with a dark modern background, clean minimal design, high quality 1:1 ratio, and add the title text of your product. ChatGPT will generate the image for you instantly. Once you're happy with it, save the image. For the ratio, 1:1 works perfectly for Payhip product images. But if you want it to look better on mobile devices, 9:16 is also a great option. Now take your content, paste it into Google Docs, then download it as a PDF. Simple, clean, and easy to read is always better than making it too complicated. Then go back to Payhip, upload your PDF, add your product image, fill in your product details, and click Add Product. And just like that, your product is now live and ready to sell. Now that your product is live, it's time to get people to buy it. And one of the best free ways to do that is YouTube. Here's how it works. Create a simple tutorial video related to your product topic. It doesn't need to be long, and it definitely doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be helpful. At the end of the video, naturally mention your product. Something simple like, if you want to learn more about this, check the pinned comment below. Then go to your video, paste your Payhip product link in the comments, and pin it so it's the first thing viewers see. Also add the link to your video description. That's it. You upload the video once, pin the link, and let YouTube work for you. People search for tutorials every single day. And when they find your video, they see your pinned comment, click the link, and some of them buy your product. You don't have to be online all day. You don't have to constantly promote it. The video keeps working for you even while you sleep. And remember, even new channels can make this work. Like this channel, it still has fewer than 500 subscribers, and it's already making consistent sales from just one simple video and one simple PDF. So don't wait until you feel ready. Upload the video, pin the link, and let it work for you. And if you're serious about getting results faster, I put together a complete step-by-step PDF guide that goes deeper into the full process. It breaks everything down clearly from start to finish, so you don't have to figure things out on your own or miss important steps when you're getting started. Inside the guide, I also included a list of platforms and resources where you can find digital products and courses that are ready to use or can help you get ideas and references. This is optional, but it can help you skip the hardest part of starting from zero and focus more on selling and execution. You'll find it in the pinned comment below if you want to check it out. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe because there's a lot more coming.